Hello everyone, welcome to Vivian's Kitchen. Today I'm grilling tin cut pork chop, seasoned with Lawry seasoning, pepper, Next, I use Worcestershire, about 2 tablespoons. Alright, grilling time. I put butter. I have fresh onions from the garden, fresh butter from work. And there you go. Make sure it's nice and hot before you put your pork chop. Cook it. Cook 3 minutes at first side, 2 minutes on the other side. To cook on medium heat. Next, bonsai. Alright, I sprinkle with more seasoning, my fresh onions from my garden. Look how beautiful the onions.
You don't got a clue. Just because she sells it doesn't mean you can do it, you know? And before Elena said you couldn't, you're not doing that. You know, maybe we could put the concealed anchors on the top and the bottom. It's like, no, it don't work that way. I says, tell Elena to go. He said, well, you know, I probably couldn't just go say that to her. Thin cuts. Done well. I mean, done proper.
Thank you for watching. Make sure hit like, subscribe and share. Bye.